Welcome everyone to Bicol University.
Feels like
Excellence needs opportunity. Let me take you through a journey to our wonderful institutions.
Bicol University, founded on June 21, 1969, through the passage of Republic Act No. 5521, stands proudly as the premier state university in the Bicol region. We're not just an educational institution, we're a community that values scholarship, leadership, character, and service as our core principles.
Here, we are committed to providing high-quality education accessible to all through the universal access to quality tertiary education law.
Let us now talk about our campus. The College of Science was established on September 10, 2004 through Board Resolution No. 75, Series of 2004. It was the culmination of a merger between the former BS Biology, previously housed in the College of Arts and Sciences, BS Chemistry, formerly under the auspices of the Regional Science Teaching Center, and BS Computer Science, previously offered by the Institute of Computer Science. Today, the College of Science, with its focus on information technology and the natural sciences, faces the challenge of enhancing the quality of life for Bicolanos through sustainable management of natural resources. It continues to uphold the legacy of academic excellence and service to the community that has defined Bicol University since its inception.
Kuya, ba't ka nag-comsite?
Mapera eh.
In demand. Maganda kasi pakinggan.
You chose computer science because the field offers incredibly vast and diverse job opportunities, whether it's software development, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence or data analysis. There is no shortage of exciting career paths to explore. Technology constantly evolving. Studying computer science allows me to stay at the forefront of innovation. I love the idea of being part of an industry that's always pushing boundaries and creating new possibilities. I wanted a degree that would open the doors to a wide range of opportunities, and BSCS just offer that.
Experiencing computer science as a student has been both challenging and rewarding. One of the most thrilling aspects of this field is the constant engagement with cutting-edge technology and software development practices. Each day, from coding projects to algorithm design, presents a new puzzle to solve and an opportunity to enhance skills. The enriching collaborative environment within the computer science community has significantly contributed to our learning journey. Collaborating with brilliant minds who share a passion for technology has not only broadened our perspective, but also nurtured a sense of camaraderie and teamwork crucial in the tech industry. Despite its rewards, being a computer science student also entails facing challenges such as debugging code, tackling complex algorithms, and meeting project deadlines which can be daunting at times. As students of computer science, our objective is to gain a profound understanding of the fundamental concepts and principles within the field. This encompasses mastering programming languages, algorithms, data structures, and software engineering methodologies. By establishing a solid foundation of technical knowledge, we can confidently address complex problems and contribute effectively to the creation of innovative solutions. As students, we recognize the significance of keeping pace with these advancements, consistently broadening our knowledge base and adapting to the changing landscape of the industry.
Join us at Bicol University and embark on a journey towards academic excellence and personal growth in the field of computer science.
Choose Bicol University for a world-class education
That will change your future.
and open doors to endless opportunities in tech industry.
fast that hourglass can't keep us down no more. We're free at last. Don't